Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, mga madam and sir. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Aquarius sa buwan ng September 23. September 2023. Ayan. Mamaya, Aquarius, bago matapos ang video na to, mamimigay ako ng Evil Eye Bracelet. Mamaya sasabihin ko yung code. Okay? Ibahin ko ang code kasi may mga iba na nahuhulaan nila yung code. Na-anticipate nila. Ibahin ko yung code mamaya. Okay? Paalala lang, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay? Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ano ang kapalaran ng ating Aquarius Spirit Guides and Angels? Okay, you have the Temperance, first week of September. You have the Judgment. You have the Page of Wands. Second week of September, you have the Sun. You have the King of Wands. Ooh, King of Swords. Third week of September, you have the Ace of Swords, the Lovers, the Seven of Pentacles. Last week of September, you have the Ace of Pentacles. You have the Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Five of Cups. Hang on a second, Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius. Your main theme energy for the month of September, you have the Tower. So, it's either may supresang darating sa'yo this September or may pasabog. It's either this is good or bad. So, expect the unexpected because masusupresa kayo. There's a big surprise coming your way this September, Aquarius. Okay? For some of you, you're gonna like this. For some of you, hindi. Okay, yan ang magiging kapalaran. Alright, first week of September, Aquarius. Ooh. You have the Temperance, you have the Judgment, and the Page of Wands. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo makaka-receive ng good news. Okay? This good news is galing sa langit. You see the Temperance and the Judgment. Okay, what you have been waiting for, Aquarius, especially with the Temperance, you have been so patient with this. Okay, talagang ang haba ng pasensya mo in the past. Okay, dahil sa pagiging patience ninyo, Aquarius, you've learned how to be patient. Okay, some of you are releasing some toxic energy in your life, and because of that, you're heading towards achieving your goals, and it's because the universe is working behind your back. This is the universe reward, parang reward ng universe for your patience. Okay, ang ganda. I'm Aquarius, so I claim this because I have been so patient with my goals and dreams. Now, Page of Wands is something that you will be surprised. First week of September, masusuppress. May darating na surpresa. Okay, yeah. There's an opportunity regarding career, business that parang ikagagalak mo or like masusupresa ka. Okay? Now, second week of September, Aquarius, you have the Sun, the King of Wands, the King of Swords. You are so confident in your goals and dreams, and there's a chance that you will succeed with the Sun. With the Sun, this is optimism, success, and victory, achievement. Okay? Regarding your plans, no? Magkakaroon ka ng sense of achievement. May ma-achieve ka regarding your plans. You'll be happy with the surprise here, second week of September. You have this King of Wands and King of Swords. This is you feeling super powerful, courageous, confident. It's like there's nothing you can do. There's that energy that parang lahat kaya mong gawin. And a lot of people will see that you're very smart. Okay? With the King of Swords, this is someone na very precise, very articulate, very truthful, but cautious. So mag-ingat lang regarding your plans, Aquarius. I think that's an advice. Okay? You have, regarding your plans, you are going to be successful. Whatever your plan is, second week of September, whatever plan that you're going to do, magiging successful na. It will lead to your success with the Sun card. It would lead to your glory, your gain. It will give you a very good satisfaction. Okay? A lot of you will feel very, very happy, full of energy, feeling alive around second week of September. You have the strength to push forward, to move forward with your plans. And I see you succeeding talaga. Second week of September. Now, third week of September, Aquarius, you have the Ace of Swords, the Lovers, and the Seven of Pentacles. Now, regarding some plans, I feel like third week of September, may choice kang pag-iisipan. May choice kang pag-iisipan. And I feel like for some of you, mahirapan kayong mag-decide sa isang decision. It could be regarding a relationship, or it could be anything that you have been saving up for with your money. Something with the Seven of Pentacles. Maybe this is an investment that you are being, maybe this is an investment, no, na pinaplano mong pasukan. Ngayon, third week of September, parang pinag-iisipan mo kung itutuloy mo ba, or parang ipo-push forward mo ba, or parang parang andun pa yung Seven of Pentacles energy na parang pag-isipan ko muna. But definitely there is this, with the Lovers kasi mukhang mahirapan kang mag-decide. But with the Ace of Swords, because you're smart, some of you will make a very wise decision, because Ace of Swords, especially with the King of Swords being here, this is you making sure that you made a right decision. Okay, regarding a situation. It could be career related, love life related, or something that with the Seven of Pentacles pinag-iisipan mo recently or lately. But I really see you na, yeah, you're gonna be using your logic here. A lot of you will gain some clarity on what to do regarding a situation na parang mahirap, difficult situation na parang mahirapan ka mag-decide. Okay? Yeah, a difficult choice is going to be made around third week of September. But there's definitely a progress. There will be a progress regarding your money here, Aquarius. Now, last week of September, Aquarius, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Ooh. Seven of Pentacles and a Five of Cups. Now, last week of September, Aquarius, mag-ingat. This card is screaming, be cautious, be careful, mag-ingat, because especially if you're planning to invest your money, mag-ingat kung saan napupunta, or saan mapupunta, or kanino mo ibibigay, ipapahiram, ibibigay, ibibili, kung saan mapupunta yung pera mo. Last week of September, Aquarius, tandaan mo yan. Because some of you might end up going to be, it's either ma-scam kayo, maloko kayo, manakawan kayo, mabudol kayo. Some of you will end up disappointed because of that. Okay? Some of you will feel that mawawalan kayo ng pera. So, mag-ingat kung saan, kanino nyo binibigay, kanino nyo ipinapadala, kanino kayo mag-i-invest, kung saan anong company kayo mag-i-invest. Make sure with the King of Swords and the Ace of Swords, pag-isipang mabuti. Okay? Be smart about your decision. Think things through. Pag-isipang mabuti. Yan ang advice. Okay? Para maiwasan tong Tower. Because Tower also talks about disasters and unexpected things na hindi mo mangyari. Baka mamaya hindi mo inaasahan, hindi mo akalain na naloko ka, nabudol ka, or may scam ka. Aquarius, okay? Seven of Swords. This is deceit. Guard against deceit and concealment. Betrayal. Okay? Trickery. Ayan. So, mag-ingat. So, ayan, Aquarius. So, ayan ang maging kapalaran mo. So, ayan. Tignan natin kung sino ang mananalo. Yan ang maging kapalaran ng ating Aquarius for the month of September. Okay, ayan na. Ito nang iniantay nyo. Okay. So, pa-comment ako dito ng code. Pa-comment ako, surprise. Mine surprise. Mine surprise for the evil eye bracelet. Okay? Ang una maka-comment ng surprise, mine surprise, yang mananalo. Okay? Congratulations sa ating winner. Okay guys, sa mga interesado sa aking item, meron akong i-announce. Mayroon na tayong feedback sa ating financial blockages removal. Makikita nyo guys sa Facebook page ko, Bonum Magos. Ang ganda ng feedback. Basahin ninyo ang mga feedbacks ng mga items ko. Lahat magaganda. Okay? Na inantay ko talaga magkaroon ng feedback. Okay? Natutuwa ako. After a month, nagkaroon ng feedback ang ating financial. Bakit matagal? Of course, money yan eh. Hindi naman like instant magic ganun. It takes time. See? Kasi ang ito, tatanggalin muna nila yung blockages mo sa buhay mo para maka-attract ka ng money. Yan ang purpose nito. Okay? Meron tayong crystal. This is 950 sa may gusto. Ang ganda nito mga madam. Hindi kayo magsisisi na bumili kayo nito. Hindi ako nagsisisi na talaga na bumili ako. You have the pink opal. Okay, 950 pesos po ito. Ano to eh? Gold-plated bracelet. Ayun o, ang ganda. Pwede niyong pang regalo. Oh, may charm na. May protection benefits pa to. All in one. Okay? You have the blue apatite, you have sunstone, fire agate, reserve na yan. You have dalawa ng lapis lazuli, you have milky quartz, ang ganda ng milky quartz, nakakaputi. You have amethyst, tatlo, aquamarine, purple rhodonite. Okay? Ito reserve na tong dalawa. Okay. Hamsa bracelet, 700 pesos. This one is 800. Okay? All-in-one bracelet with amulet na silver, 800. Okay? 700, 700, 700. Okay, available pa rin ang ating panangga sa kulam. This is 1,000. 2-in-1 to. Protection and healing sa kulam. Okay? Of course, ang ating best seller. All-in-one powerful bracelet, 700 pesos. Ang daming mga feedback nito, madam. Ang daming mga feedback, mga madam and sir, sa ating red string all-in-one powerful red bracelet. Hanapin niyo sa Facebook page. Pantanggal sa iyong sumpa, sa inyong angkan. Okay, kahit anong kayod, kahit anong pagpupursige, parang hindi pa rin umaasenso. Maybe you need this. Ancestral curse healing, 1,900. Okay, ayan po. So maraming salamat. I'll see you next time, Aquarius. God bless, more power, and ingat po. Paalam!